Be short in seconds, say what matters. The Ministry of Power in India has issued a report recommending accelerated approvals for nuclear power projects in a bid to achieve 100 gigawatts of nuclear capacity by 2047. Currently, India has roughly 8.88 gigawatts of operational nuclear capacity. The panel, formed by the ministry, suggests reducing the average reactor commissioning time from 11 to 12 years to under 7 years through streamlined land acquisition and regulatory clearances. The report also highlighted the need for securing uranium fuel supply through increased domestic mining and foreign acquisitions and urged the inclusion of private sector participation in fuel fabrication. It recommended using retired thermal plant sites for new reactors and relaxing liability laws to attract foreign reactor technology. Additionally, it proposed expanding spent fuel reprocessing capacity and increasing insurance cover for nuclear incidents to 15 billion rupee per operator. Analysts say this move comes amid India's push to decarbonize power generation and meet rising electricity demand driven by industrialization and urbanization. Nuclear energy, while presently contributing about 3% to India's total electricity mix, is seen as a low-carbon complement to renewables. The success of this strategy hinges on addressing land, financing and regulatory bottlenecks. If implemented, India could add more than 90 gigawatts of capacity over 2 decades, significantly shifting its energy mix and reducing dependence on fossil fuels. Regulatory clarity, investor participation and stringent safety standards will be critical. Source: Reuters. Think business, think be short. Tap to subscribe.